Good afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to show this little chart, and I hope you're all aware that next year we have a bull market and potentially into 2025. 4-year cycle theory says the bull market should be 2025. However, the US elections are in November 2024, and crypto has never had a bull market after the US elections. Traditionally, they're always before. So we should be seeing a bull market in 2024. You can see the picture below. That's the previous bull market for 2020, 2021, and where we are now, 2023 into 2024. So we're right at the point where the market's about to push on up. November this year could well be that month where we get like a 20% leap for the whole market. And you can see that after the leap there's a little pullback. That could well be at Christmas before December, and that will be people selling for tax purposes, so they can get a tax relief. If you sell at a loss, you get a tax in the US, you get a tax relief. And I'd like to show this chart as well, and the similarities are striking. I'm not certain though that we have a bull run in 2025. I believe it's 2024, and I think it's before the US elections. I could be wrong, and that's fine, but I just want to put this information out there. So the way I see this playing out is that November is going to be really bullish. I think just up until before Christmas, maybe a few days before Christmas, maybe 5 days before Christmas, we might start seeing, or maybe a couple of days after Christmas. Anyway, it'll be before the new year, there'll be a sell-off. In fact, it's highly likely that we'll have a nice green Christmas, and then there'll be a little bit of a sell-off and a pullback into the new year. And then we've got the Bitcoin halvening in April. And if anybody doesn't know, the Bitcoin halvening, if a miner finds a block, at the moment, I think the reward, it might be like 4 or 5 Bitcoin, and it will be halved, quite literally, to either 3 or 2.5 Bitcoin. I need to go check the stats on that. I don't know what the reward is if you find a block. But anyway, so this is why the crypto market goes up in value. If you mine a block one day and you're getting 6 Bitcoin at whatever thousands of pounds, and then the next day you mine a block and you're getting half as many Bitcoin for finding the block, and the difficulty has gone up exponentially. You can see the graphs of hash power that's required, or that's joined the network, and you can then see how difficult it is now to mine Bitcoin. You used to be able to mine Bitcoin on a crappy laptop single core processor, and these days you need ASICs, and they are beefy, 3,000, 4,000 watt units. They are monsters. If you had one of those back then, you would have been finding every single block on the blockchain. Anyway, so because of the Bitcoin halvening, the supply decreases, the demand is still the same, which is what pushes the price of Bitcoin up. And then, as the price of Bitcoin goes up, the liquidity to the rest of the market happens. So if this is the last speculative market, the Bitcoin halvening is in April and the US elections are in November, it's highly likely that we're going to have quite a short, sharp bull run into November. And then we could have a double top, and it could potentially double top in April, May of 2025. That's what I think could happen. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, not a singer, just a noob.